Okay, the back side is exactly like what you did on the front side earlier this morning before recess. So you need to draw and shade a tape diagram of the fraction, and then record the decomposition of the fraction in 3 different ways. So 3 different ways means the way you've decomposed it first, like 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, and then 2 other ways. Okay? So A is 7/8. So I'm going to draw my rectangle. Okay, 7/8. There's fourths. And there's eighths. This equals 1 whole. Everybody with me so far? Yeah. So I need to color in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so I did part 1. Now part 2, record the decomposition. Well, the first one is going to be 7/8 equals 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Then you need to look at other ways to decompose it. It's just like we did this morning on the board. We're putting in parentheses. So, Benny, give me a way you decompose 7/8 a different way. Six eighths plus 1/8. There's a way to decompose it. Alon, give me another way to decompose 7/8. 7/8 equals 3/8 plus 4/8. Now that's your 3, but what other ways are there? Let's get them all up there. Cole, what's another way to decompose 7/8? Okay, so 7/8 equals 1/8 plus 1/8. Plus what? 4/8. Okay, Marcelo. 7/8 equals. Okay, all right. Yes, Spencer. 7/8 equals. Okay. All right. And I'm going to stop there. I know there are other ways, but you get the idea. Okay? We good with that one? Okay, let's move on to the next one. 5/3. 5/3. 5/3 is similar to the 3/2 that we did. So here's one rectangle, and I need to divide it into 3 sections. Here's my other rectangle, and I need to divide that into 3 sections. And I need to color, and this is 1, and this is 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my first one would be 5/3 equals 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay, what's another way to decompose that, Sky? 5/3 equals. Okay, there's another way to decompose it. All right? So Ron, what's another way to decompose 5/3? 5/3 equals. Two-thirds. Okay, 2/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Cynthia. plus what? 3/3? Okay, good job. There's an example of several that you could have put. Okay, let's move to the next one. 7/5, it's the same thing, right? That's more than one whole. So here's one rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the other tape diagram. Whoops, I didn't make it very big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7/5 equals 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Sebastian, what's another way to decompose 7/5? Good job. 5/5 plus 2/5. Kayla, 7/5 equals 7/5. One whole plus 2/5. Is there another way to decompose it? Sure there is. Henry, what's another way to decompose 7/5? 7/5 equals. Say the whole number sentence for me, please. Good job. 3/5 plus 4/5. Okay. And let's do the last one. 1 1/3. Well, here's one rectangle divided into 3. Here's the other one into 3. 1 1/3. Okay, so that equals. So 1 1/3 equals 1 plus 1/3. What's another way to decompose 1 1/3? Amy. 1 1/3 Good job. 1 1/3 equals 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Mateo, what's another way to decompose 1 1/3? Okay, well, look at it this way. What can I do with this one to decompose it differently? Good job. 3/3. Or 1 1/3 equals 2/3 plus 2/3. Okay. Or 2/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Okay. Homework tonight is exactly the same.